The ultimate one light setup. Yep. Feeling on your body. What is up, you guys, man? It's your boy Taxi Lens, back at it again with yet another video. You know what I'm saying? Today we're here with K. You know what I'm saying? We're having a little bit of fun. We're about to do the ultimate one light setup. Yep. That's what it is. We're gonna do that one.
Yeah.
The ultimate one light setup. So today we got K, you know what I'm saying? We have a nice simple wardrobe, you know what I'm saying? Something slight, something nice, something cute, you know what I'm saying, for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. It's a whole lot of gas. We're about to shoot. And yes, today, right? Kay came to me and was like, oh my gosh, Taxi, I want to shoot. You know what I'm saying? I love doing photo shoots. And I was like, okay, let's make it happen. Like, I don't know what we want to do. She doesn't know what we want to do, but we were like, let's do something. You know what I'm saying? So after we just did a pool shoot and a whole bunch of other stuff, go back and watch that video if you hadn't watched that one yet. Go ahead and watch that one. I'll put her ad name above her head, you know what I'm saying? Pretty little K on Instagram. Okay, and we're gonna get straight to it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and have a little bit of fun. We're doing an ultimate one light setup. I'm using one light, Sony a7S III, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm using the beauty dish, 50mm, and I'm shooting on my Sony a7S III with a Sigma Art 2.8 lens, 24-70. About to have a little bit of fun. We got a lot of behind the scenes stuff going on right now, a lot of different angles, a lot of different everything. I'm trying to have fun with this. I'm trying to come with consistency and bring you guys consistency. So tonight, I'm gonna be editing some videos, editing some photos, getting some stuff back out to clients, but also getting some videos ready for this week to come up so I can roll those out and have them all scheduled for the week. Because today is Sunday and Sunday is fun day. You know what I'm saying? So love you guys. We're gonna get straight into it. Let's do it. What happened? Okay. They say, oh my God. I'm about to say, damn, what happened? Oh my God. Random dancing is allowed. I like it. I like it. I like it. Today I got my beauty dish on a C-stand right now. We're using the C-stand. We're trying this out. It got wheels on it, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun with this. We're just gonna shoot some regular ones on the backdrop right here and try to get some to show you guys exactly how to do this. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's see. Right here. There we go. Let's see what this looks like. Just some test shots real quick because we're in the studio. I got to go ahead and change all of my settings to make them fit my needs. So ISO 100 right now. I hate when he does that. I swear I hate when he does that. F2.8. We have F2.8, and then we have shutter speed at 60, and we're gonna probably bump it up. We're gonna see though, because I got this shooting at power of 100. Let's see. Yeah, that's very bright. Let's see.
Oh my God.
Hold it, hold it. Cross your legs fully. There we go, just like that. Right here, there we go. So you guys, I'm actually shooting at F11 right now, right? So I got F11 going and it's actually hitting. F11 is pretty dope. I never shot this high. Like, I'm just trying to like give off a different vibe.
Oh, that's different.
Right? It's not my normal. Like, it's not like the, you know what I'm saying, like the overall even lighting. It's like some shadow, there's some, a little bit of fun with this. Let's see what we can do. Cook it up. Did you like that actually though?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What?
I tell you, like, I be killing you by eyes.
Oh.
I'm already blind.
You definitely are blind. Hold it, let me see.
Ooh, I do like the big shit right here.
I like that one. Hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm going back down to f2.8, you guys. See what we can play with right there. There we go. Now let's show some side. Let's see some side profile. There we go. Some nice side profile is what we want, you know what I'm saying? I'm adjusting my light, you guys. Right here, there we go. To get right in front of her, right over her head. There we go. Right there. There we go, right in her face. It's right there. You guys never see me use this setup, but I need to start, but it's like, it just takes so much extra, like, cause I could put it on a regular thing and just move the stand, but this is obviously better because there's no stand right here. So like you could move all right here, cause you know, usually the stand would be right under it.
Yeah.
So I have this arm coming out, so it's able to make these.
Ooh.
You see what I'm saying? And the light is coming from like right here versus like, you know, and then I could shoot from far away and kind of like match it up and shit like that. Okay, let's see, there we go. There we go, hold it. Hold it, there we go. Hold it. So I did like.
Yes, sir.
I was like, I don't know what that was. I was trying to find out. I'm like, okay, okay, am I okay? I was like, okay, what is happening? Let me see.
See what? My balance.
It's gone. Let's see. Oh, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, make sure that it's right in her face, you guys. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Oh, man. All right, let's, what's it called? I'm gonna shoot and put it right over the middle. So this one is like the general one for like heads, like regular shots, you guys. You want to center it. Yes, you want to center it right above the model and make sure that it's at a 45-degree angle. So it's like really able, so you're gonna be like standing like right here, relatively, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's shit. Not necessarily, I kind of, yeah, I want your face forward, basically. So you can do whatever you want with your hands and shit, but I want you looking forward. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Hold, there we go. Hold. So what I noticed, you guys, when your shutter speed is lower, you're gonna catch more of these lights. So if you have the lighting right here, when your shutter speed is lower, you're gonna catch more of that. Like more of the lighting. Cause y'all be talking about, y'all, oh, we can't see her, and you put the light in front of her face. All right, there we go, hold it. Your balance be hitting.
Huh?
That's yeah, balance be.
I'm like.
Let's see. Hold it. All right, bet. We're gonna do the thumbnail now.
I'm a dancer too. That makes no sense.
Let me see.
I cannot
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. I'm not judging. I'm not saying nothing. I'm just letting you do your thing. All right, you guys, that is the one light setup. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna put a link down to her Instagram below as well as above her head. Let us know if you guys have any other ideas that you guys want us to try or something that you guys want us to do down in the comments. We got the pool shoot, we got this one, we got the other one, we got the other one, we have a lot, you know what I'm saying? So just let us know what else we should do, what concepts, what are some ideas that you might have for us to do, so that way that could help the channel as well as give you guys what you want, because we can grow the channel more, we can shoot more, you know what I'm saying? If the channel keeps growing, Kay's gonna keep coming back. You know what I'm saying? She's not going anywhere. She's one of the ambassadors. I'm letting you guys, you know, exactly. You know what I'm saying? So eating it up, we're having fun. I just want to build this as like a career. Like I want to do this always, you guys. So in order for us to do that, I need you guys to subscribe. I need you guys to share. Do whatever you really can and help us grow as a family, because this is my dream, man. I want to give out free photo shoots. I want to be able to do this type of content based off of what you guys say in the comments. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like regular YouTubers are able to do that. Like, oh bro, do one of the videos like this, do a video like that. Guys, tell me in the comments what you guys want to see so we can keep elevating this. You know what I'm saying? What other models do you want to see? Do you want me to bring 2 models in here? Like, what do you guys want to see? You know what I mean? Let us know and we can make it happen. We can create it. I just want to say thank you guys again. Thank you, Kay, for coming. Appreciate you.
welcome.
It's always love you guys. So thank you again. See you guys later. Till next time. We're out. Peace. Taxi. I have to get it down myself. Cause I have somebody saying it for me, like on my thing. Have you ever heard my tag?
I heard.
It's like taxi. It's like, yeah, it's like taxi. But I gotta get it myself.
I can't even do that.
Taxi. Or some shit like that. I gotta get it. Cause if I could do it, oh, it's gonna be hard. Cause anywhere I'm at, I'll be like, what's up, y'all boys? Taxi. Like just out of nowhere, just taxi. On some shit.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.